So I'm in the same outfit because I'm filming this on the same day. Yes, I got some unicorn ones, but you can't see. So I'm going to put them right here beside. So today I'm going to be doing this Magical Dreams Dream Catcher box. The kit contains of easy step-by-step instructions. It comes with the hook, or the loop, some string, some beads, some feathers, some ribbons, stuff like that. Let's get open. If you see this mess, I have a makeup store here. Instruction. And the trash. Shout out to Nerdy Crafter. I love that girl. AMSL. AMSL. So, again, what you get are these hoops. And I take it that you... Okay. It's got different languages. Okay. English. Okay, so you snap all four of these together. Should I put this in my background? Maybe. I got my YouTube button right there, which I'm so proud of still to this day. I just love y'all so much. And these just... I just did a parody of Trisha Paytas. I hope you guys liked it. It was just me kind of fooling around, basically. What's else is new? I like Trisha. I've been watching her for literally years. Let's get it out to the rest of the... We have feathers, string, ribbons, beads, another string. Okay, so it looks like you're taking this string and you're wrapping the entirety of the hoop. So let's move this out the way. We're going to take this. I might have to pause this video and go get some scissors, because I don't have any in my little room right here. Love dream catchers. They're so beautiful. I have one in my room, or me and Michael's room. Duh. I'm married. Actually suggested by a person in Michael's live stream. Yeah. So we y'all probably can't see a thing I'm doing. I'm just literally wrapping this around, and it's touching, so I'm gonna do this to the whole piece entirely. And this is a rainbow one, so, or this string is, so. I'm allowed to have one drink a week, one soda a week. Let's get that right. I'm just going to keep wrapping. I'll probably speed up some of the video so y'all not just watch me wrap. It'll probably get boring after a while. touch, and it's pretty tightly wrapped around it. Well, my country's showing. So, how have y'all been? I've been really good. Dang, why does my voice sound so country today? Yeah, I was just watching Trisha Paytas's new videos and thought, oh, and I cut my hair, by the way. I'm trying to get it even with because I shaved my head, a death hawk. It's where you shave your underside. Kind of like a mohawk, but you shave your sides. It's just this little part on top. And so I shaved all that. And so after a couple hours and trying to detangle, finally got it detangled and on the hoop. So the next step is attaching the net. And then that's just like that around. Disclaimer, got hot, put my hair up. So I'm gonna make this the back because there is like use the tail of the string and wind it. Okay, so I just made a big mess again. No, okay. So I'm thinking I should have left the tail on it. Shoot. Okay, so I'm gonna get a mic, I'm so sorry that I'm quiet. I'm just gonna get the string and kind of sort of just like swoosh it in these holes. Oops, wait. Okay, so this one. So what I'm doing is taking the edges like this and putting string through it and then putting them through the actual thing. Okay, so I went ahead and got the center of it in there. So now I also strung some beads on here, but I am going to show y'all how I did it. I just strung the bead. Yes, I'm out of breath. I'm so happy that y'all like my Trisha Paytas video. It was all in good fun. It was meant to be a joke. I kind of feel bad now. Trisha will probably never watch it. But again, all in good fun. So now I'm taking the feather and I'm tying it to the string. And then I'm moving the bead down to the end and put it over the feather. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. So, I already
got these laid out, kind of. I'm just matching the ends. So this one is like a rainbowish color. And I'm just taking this will be the back. So I'm just taking it and kind of looping. I'm making a little, okay. So I'm taking it like this and going around with it and putting the bottom strings through it. And pulling it out. So that will be one. Okay. So I'm going to take the pink one now and do the same as that. Hey, little, how you doing? Did you come to see mommy? And just keep going with it until I'm out of stuff. And you can space them however far apart you want them. I kind of want them kind of together-ish. So now I'm taking this ribbon. This is the purple. The other one was pink. Just making a loop. And pulling this ribbon through. So. Now I'm taking one of my... Oh. What is it? My feathers. Maybe I should cut it. Yeah, maybe I should cut it. Here. Oh, don't cut that one. Okay, hold on. I'm going to cut this in half. And I'm going to take this one and just put it by the pink one. Like so. Really can't see the string on that one, but wish there would be more beads. Now I'm taking another one and doing the same exact thing, but this time on the opposite end of the thing. Like here. So it should be right here. There's a point top. So the next one is this blue one right here. And actually, there's this one. I'm just going to put that one next. I don't even know if this is going anymore. I hope so. Just pull that one top too. Again, on the other side. This time it's an orange ribbon. Hold on. Put the ribbon up. So now we're doing another. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit higher this time. A little bit more. Only in with those. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow one. One of the yellows, you can change your mind, and change your mind, and just fix it. Use your own creativity. You gotta go with what the instructions say. Sorry, the camera changed how to put it on the charger and stuff like that. So that's what it's looking like right now. And now it is time for the last two beats. I'm going to go ahead and match them up. See where I need to cut. So, right there. Okay. So you just did one on one side, one on the other. So just get your little thing together. Make your little loop. And bring it through. And pull it tight. Okay, very last one. Same thing. If you're worried about the edges fraying, you can actually put a piece of scotch tape around it. Like some of these have scotch tape around them. So this is the completed June catch. Whoop, I don't know what that was. That matches perfectly. I like it because unlike the string, you can get the rainbow effect, and then you got my favorite color, and then